everybody. Sorry I sound like I like somebody ran over my vocal cords, but I've been sick for like 2 weeks now, and the mailman has provided some relief and joy. So let's get into this, okay? Did you guys do any Black Friday shopping? Cause I did. Don't tell nobody. But anyways, so my first purchase that came in that got delivered is the Colourpop mystery box. Nothing special about the packaging, but they were advertising that they were going to have a mystery box during their Black Friday Cyber Week sale, so I got it. Let's open it. Let's see what's in here. So, how do I open the box? Oh. All right, I did have it ready this time. I can open it. It's funny. Anyway, all right. Huh. So here's a little sneak peek. It's packaged really well. So let's see what we got first. All right. First up, we got, what is this? Ooh, a super shock blush. Let's see, this is in the shade Birthday Suit. Okay. I've never tried any of their Super Shocks eyeshadow. Nope, I'm lying. I did have a blush a long time ago. It was called Cheerio. And it was super pretty. But there's the color. Pretty. All right, cool. We starting strong. All right, next up, there's another one. I don't know if this is a blush or an eyeshadow. This is a shadow, and this one is in the color Ripple. It's an ultra glitter. Oh, so that tells you more information about it. So this is a satin finish, and this one is an ultra glitter. Okay. Ooh, it is really pretty though, and shimmery. Like you can see the glitter in it. Pretty. All right, okay. Not bad. Not some random Powerpuff Girl piece of merchandise. So we're off to a good start. All right, so let's see what's in here, because this is like all, it says Sugar Rush. Oh, such a rush. But I don't know. Oh, it's a palette. Oh, it's a cheek palette. X is here. There we go. It's a cheek palette. Where's that thing? Let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. This color right there. It's a little shimmery. Ooh, it's soft too. So gold. Go. But this is cute. I don't know why it came in that special packaging, but okay. Oh, so highlighter. So that's the highlighter. It's weird because on the back it says the highlighter. It tells you like where they go, but like they're in the opposite. That's so stupid. Like make it match so that I know when I put it in my face. So, oh, I guess it makes sense if I'm looking at it. So here's the highlighter, a bronzer, and then these two are blushes. Let me open that back up so you can see. And it's reading a lot lighter on camera, but these are definitely, in my opinion, melanin friendly. So, or at least me friendly. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, Colourpop. Y'all are doing it now. Oh, trash. Ooh. The Luxe Velvet Lipstick. What color is this? Just Imagine. Does that sound familiar? Have we gotten this color before? I don't know. But let's see what it look like. Okay. We probably have. And I just gave away a whole bunch of makeup too. But this is pretty. So not bad. That's a nice neutral mauve color. Okay. Not bad, not bad. And I like Colourpop's lip products. So let's see. Looks like we got, oh, another one. No. This is the Feather Effect Brow Pen. Sorry, the lighting sucks today. But I got so excited that I just needed to film. So, is it gonna come out though? Does this have a color? Oh, it's in black brown. So, brow pen. Oh, okay. I don't know anything about these. So, this is probably a daughter thing because she does her eyebrows too. Might be looking cute, you know. She don't look like she painted them on. So, she just, you know, enhances them. So, she does a really good job. So, I'll give that to her. Up next, we have a BFF liquid liner. These are cool. And this one is in the color The Heels. So I'm assuming this is green. Yo, this box is, it's giving. It's giving. Yeah, and it's a brush tip. Kind of matches my nails. Oh, man. So this is cool. I'm excited to get that. I'm always been interested in like different color like eyeliners. So that's cool. Let's see, we got some bigger stuff in here. So let's go over here. Is this skincare? Okay. This is from their sister brand, 4th Ray Beauty. It is the Overnight Success Youth Boosting Mask. It's an overnight mask infused with retinol and bakuchiol. Don't get me to trying to pronounce stuff. Okay, I've never tried any of the 4th Ray Beauty stuff, so I mean, I don't need any skincare, but why not? I can like keep this on the side of my bed 1 to 2 times a week in the evening. Not bad, not bad. Listen, I ain't mad at this box at all. So, let's see. It looks like we got some palettes in here. I'm excited for that one. I'm excited for that one. Okay. So, this one is called Off Melrose. And this is a pressed powder palette. Ooh, excuse me. So, and y'all know Colourpop, their packaging is always A1. Like, it's always, even if it's nothing you're interested in, it's always gonna be cute. So this is a nice little neutral palette. Like, this would be good to travel with, you know. No mirror, but we have tons of stuff that has mirrors in it. This is so pretty though. I really like this. Yeah, like this would be a nice everyday palette because you can like have it, you know, subtle and neutral for like work, and then you can pop some glitters on and jazz it up. So this is a really, I would say it's an all-purpose an all-purpose palette to go with your all-purpose dresses. If you know, you know. All right, so I'm excited for that one. All right, and I think, is this the last thing? Yep, this is the last thing in here. And this is, I think this is one of their newer palettes called It's a Mood. Oh, she's pretty. I like the packaging. Well, you know, Colourpop don't mess with the packaging. I don't care if it's like crazy kitschy or childish or whatever. They're always going to hit with the packaging. Like, and I like the texture too on it. But let's see what she look like. Ooh. Now this is pretty. she's really pretty. So you got your neutrals, and then you can jazz it up and go nighttime. So this is another all-purpose palette too. I like these greens. I don't really want to swatch right now because it's been a rough day. I was just excited to get into it. So maybe I'll do a try on with some of these colors. Like these greens and purples are really, oh, I think I spoke too soon. This color right here that says For the Night. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. It kind of looks very similar to the one that's under it called Self Control. But they're actually very different. Like this one is definitely more saturated with the green. And this one has that bluish green. But they're really pretty. And they're soft and creamy. But I mean, if you know about Colourpop shadows, like I won't even say they're not top quality. I mean, sometimes they muddle and don't blend very well and don't mix with other shadows, but for the most part, you're not gonna go wrong with Colourpop. So, yes. Oh, this one is so pretty. I mean, look at that. I literally almost got this same color on my nails yesterday. Like, quite literally. That would have been so fun. But yes, guys, that is the Colourpop Black Friday mystery box. So let's recap. I mean, this box was so freaking good. And it was $50. I didn't say that, but it was $50. And it was worth it. So we got this palette. We got another palette. We got a Super Shock blush. A Super Shock shadow. Some skincare. A cheek palette. A lipstick. An eyeliner. And what was this again? A brow pen. Like, this is giving a full face. Okay? It's giving I could take this whole box on a trip with me and be cool. You know what I mean? So, did you guys get the box? What was in your box? Because I think sometimes these are different, but for the most part, they're kind of like all the same. Like, there might be a few different variations. Like, there's a few pieces that are different, but for the most part, they're all the same. So, let me know what you got in your box. Don't forget to like this video. Comment below. Like, I don't appreciate y'all ignoring me like y'all be doing. I be sad. So, talk to me. It's all good. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.